Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy at your homes. Today we will start chapter number 32 because this chapter will be included in your term 1. So I escaped all these chapters. We will start these chapters after the first terms and after the occasion. After completed this first term's course. So, in this chapter 32 from your book Grammarly and in this chapter name is composition. We will study in this chapter a poster, a notice, a message and a brochure. How we write our notice, what is the main purpose of notice, we will study in this chapter. Okay, tell me which writing part announce an event or advertise a product. Which writing part announce an event or advertise a product? It is called a poster. A poster advertise a product or announce an event. How many types of posters? There are two types of posters, event or non-event. Event posters and non-event posters. Okay, what is the main purpose to write a notice? The main purpose to write a notice to inform people about an event, celebrations and something very important information. Okay, which short note write to convey important instructions to someone? Which short note write to convey the important instructions and important information to someone. It is called message. Through message we convey our information, we convey our instruction to someone. Which small pamphlet contains product information for advertising? Which small pamphlet contains product information for advertising? It is called brochure. Through voucher, in this brochure we contain information or product for advertising. So in this chapter we will study about these 4 compositions. So to more understand, let's read this chapter. Okay children, this is your chapter number 32, composition. First of all, we will study about a poster, making a poster. A poster announces an event or advertises a product. A good poster grabs the attention of a large number of people. Points to remember: a poster should be well presented. It should be to the point. It should have an eye-catching title. It should attract the attention of its readers. It should bring awareness among the readers. What can you include in a poster? A box or an outline that contains the entire poster with all the information. A heading which should be catchy and in a big font. Pictures, cartoons and or sketches that are necessary to catch the attention of the readers. Short and crisp text explaining itself fully and containing the poster's purpose, occasion, slogan, location, date and time. Details such as contact information, phone numbers, email address, etc. Types of posters. There are 2 types of posters, event posters and non-event posters. Event poster. What is event poster? Event poster announce events such as school fairs, feeds, parties, exhibitions, courses and classes. This is the example of a poster, book fair. For all books lovers, you draw these type of books and you like the point, venue, date and time. Mega book fair, venue, date and time. Come see, discovery and buy from a wide range of books. Organizer secretary, the book club of Agra. Next, non-event posters. Non-event posters spread awareness about social issues, give warnings or make appeal. This is a poster on simple ways to save water. Make every drop count. This is the way to make a poster on social issues. Writing a notice. A notice is a very short piece of written information that informs people about an event, a celebration, an occasion, or an appeal. It is formal in style. An effective notice must include the following. Should be enclosed in a box. Name of the organization or institution issuing the notice. Date of issue, the title notice, a suitable heading to hold the reader's interest. The purpose of the notice, details such as venue, date and duration. Date, time and duration. Signature of the issuing authority, contact person, designation, address and phone number. This is the sample of notice. School name, notice, painting competition for class 5th students. This is date. This is to inform all students of class 5th that our school will be organizing a painting competition next month. Interested participants need to bring their own paints, brushes, etc. Drawing sheet will be provided for the event. Venue, school activity hall, date 28, 2019. Time 11:30 am to 12:30 pm. Nina Bakshi, Secretary, Art Club. This is a sample of a notice. Next is writing a message. A message is a short note written to convey something important or give instructions to someone. It is usually brief to the point. It is written in simple, short sentences and usually mention the date and time. A message must include the following. The date and time of the message should be addressed to the person it is meant for. Must mention the reason for leaving the message. Must give the follow-up action required after reading the message. Must end with the name of person writing the message. This is the sample of a message. This is question. You are Seema. Your brother Hemant has gone for his piano class and his friend Varun called to say that he would not be meeting your brother this evening as he has to go to his grandparents' house. You are going out to play. Message, date, time, Hemant. While you were away, Varun called. He cannot meet you this evening as he has to go to his grandparents' house. I am going out of the play. Do call Varun once you are back, Seema. This is a sample of a message. Next is preparing a brochure. A brochure is a small pamphlet or booklet that contains product information for advertising. It is handed out to people to make them aware of compositions, benefits, information about classes, about places and services. The simplest voucher is a page folded into 2 or 3 with information written on it. How to make a brochure? First, decide on a pictorial layout. The main message should be clear, written on the cover of the brochure. On the side, make a heading for each key point. Write a short paragraph of fascinating facts for each section. Add illustration for an attractive look. Points to remember. The purpose of a brochure is to persuade the reader to buy a product or to do something. Your brochure should be exact. All information must be correct. Neat. All sections should be orderly and the illustrations placed alternatively. Creative. Be imaginative to make your brochure interesting. Vibrant. It should be visually appealing. So have you understood this chapter? There are 4 types discussed in this chapter: poster, notice, message and brochure. So if you have any doubt, read this chapter once or twice thoroughly. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.